Alternanthera Reineckii vs. Mini. I found Alternanthera Reineckii to be a stunning addition with its vibrant red hues that really pop in my aquascape, creating a focal point that draws the eye. Mini, on the other hand, while equally appealing, tends to have a more compact growth pattern that fits well in smaller tanks or as a foreground plant, adding a lush green contrast that complements other plants. Alternanthera Reineckii vs. Ludwigia repens. Alternanthera Reineckii has been a favorite of mine due to its intense red coloration under high light, which adds a bold contrast against greenery in the background of my aquarium. Ludwigia repens, however, offers a more versatile option with its ease of care and ability to thrive in various conditions, making it a reliable choice for beginners looking to add some vibrant reds to their tank without the high maintenance. See more 106 species in genus Alternanthera at monsteraholic.com. How to plant Alternanthera Reineckii? Here's a guide on how to plant Alternanthera Reineckii, a beautiful freshwater aquarium plant known for its vibrant red, pink, or green-colored leaves. Preparation. Tank requirements: Alternanthera Reineckii thrives in well-established aquariums with stable parameters. Ensure your tank meets the following. Water, neutral to slightly acidic pH, 6.0 to 7.5, and soft to moderately hard water, pH 3 to 12. Temperature: warm water temperatures between 72 degrees Fahrenheit and 82 degrees Fahrenheit, 22 degrees Celsius and 28 degrees Celsius. Lighting: high lighting is crucial for optimal growth and vibrant colors. Aim for at least 40 par of lighting intensity. Substrate: a nutrient-rich substrate is essential for healthy growth. Consider using aquasoil or enriched planting substrate. Planting. Obtain healthy specimens. Purchase healthy Alternanthera Reineckii from a reputable aquarium store. Look for plants with vibrant colors and firm stems. Separate stems, optional if your plant comes in a bunch, you can separate the stems into individual portions for planting. Trim the stem, optional you can trim the bottom stem node of each portion at a 45-degree angle to encourage bushier growth. Planting methods: there are two main ways to plant Alternanthera Reineckii. Direct planting: gently push the trimmed end of the stem about 1 to 1.5 inches deep into the substrate, ensuring the base is secure. Space each plant 1.5 to 2 inches apart to allow for growth and light penetration to the lower leaves. Weighting method: optional, this is useful for keeping the plant upright in loose substrate. Attach a small weight, like a lead weight or a pebble, to the base of the stem before carefully pushing it into the substrate. Care after planting. Monitor water parameters, maintain stable water parameters within the recommended range. CO2 supplementation, optional while not strictly necessary. CO2 injection can enhance growth and improve color vibrancy. Nutrient dosing: regularly dose with liquid fertilizers specifically formulated for planted aquariums. Follow the recommended dosage based on your tank size. Light adjustment: monitor lighting intensity and adjust if necessary. Too little light can make the stems leggy and the leaves lose color. Trimming: regularly trim overgrown stems to maintain a neat appearance and encourage bushier growth. Replant the trimmings for propagation. Additional tips. Alternanthera Reineckii is a fast grower and may require regular trimming to maintain its desired shape and size. If the lower leaves lose color or become pale, it's an indication of insufficient light reaching them. Consider trimming the top portions or increasing light intensity. Alternanthera Reineckii can be propagated easily by replanting stem trimmings. How to propagate Alternanthera Reineckii? Propagating Alternanthera Reineckii is a great way to multiply your existing plant stock and fill out your aquarium with its vibrant colors. Here's how to do it. Method 1: Stem trimmings. This is the most common and straightforward method for propagating Alternanthera Reineckii. Trimming: during routine maintenance or when your plant gets overgrown, identify healthy stems for propagation. Cutting: using sharp, sterilized scissors or pruning shears, cut a section of stem just below a node, the bump where leaves emerge. Aim for a length of 2 to 4 inches. You can also cut the top portion of the stem if it's healthy and discard the bottom section. Lower leaf removal: optional, you can remove the lowest pair of leaves on the stem cutting to expose more stem for better attachment to the substrate during planting. Planting the trimmings. There are two main ways to plant your stem trimmings. Direct planting: gently push the trimmed end of the stem about 1 to 1.5 inches deep into the substrate, ensuring the base is secure. Space each cutting 1.5 to 2 inches apart to allow for growth and light penetration to the lower leaves. Weighting method, optional. This is useful for keeping the plant upright in loose substrate. Attach a small weight, like a lead weight or a pebble, to the base of the stem before carefully pushing it into the substrate. Method 2, Side shoots. Alternanthera reineckii can also propagate from side shoots that emerge from the main stem. Identification, look for healthy side shoots growing along the main stem. Separation, gently pinch or snip off the side shoot at its base, taking care not to damage the main stem. Planting, plant the separated side shoot using the same methods mentioned for stem trimmings, direct planting or waiting. General care after propagation. Monitor water parameters, maintain stable water parameters within the recommended range, neutral to slightly acidic pH, soft to moderately hard water, warm temperatures. Lighting, ensure sufficient lighting to promote healthy growth and vibrant colors. Aim for at least 40 par of lighting intensity. CO2 supplementation, optional while not strictly necessary. CO2 injection can enhance growth and improve color vibrancy. Nutrient dosing, regularly dose with liquid fertilizers specifically formulated for planted aquariums. Follow the recommended dosage based on your tank size. Additional tips. Replanted trimmings might take a few days to a week to establish themselves and start showing new growth. Pinching off the top growth of established Alternanthera reineckii plants can encourage them to produce more side shoots for propagation. Propagated plants can be used to fill out bare spots in your aquarium or even traded with other aquarists. How tall does Alternanthera reineckii grow? In my experience, Alternanthera reineckii can grow to varying heights depending on the specific conditions in the aquarium. Under optimal conditions with high light, CO2 supplementation, and nutrient-rich substrate, it can reach heights of around 10 to 20 inches. However, regular pruning and maintenance are essential to keep the plant in check and prevent it from overshadowing other aquatic flora in the tank.